Okay, I did check the footage. It is squirting, but it's all leaking out before it can actually stand. And another one, why I probably popped is probably a little bit out of tuning, but mostly probably because I put too much gas down at once. And now this is where the socket will come in. Yeah. Guess who's gonna have fun taking that off? Me. All right. That's the last try, then I need to be done. Yeah. It seems like more fuel than I put in that did it. So what I'm gonna do... Actually, I gotta go right now. I'm gonna put the battery on the charger, but I think what I'm gonna do is tomorrow, or not tomorrow, but the day when I get back, I'm gonna go ahead and pour fuel down this until it flows out. Basically just fill up the line so I know I have fuel. As you can see, it's smoking there because it has literally no exhaust. And yeah, the timing chain's a little bit slack, but yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.